Okay, welcome back to the channel everyone. Nature video. Couple of kookaburras on the trig point. Beautiful bird of the Australian bush. I always love to see these guys. Really iconic species. I've just found one of their potential nest sites just a few minutes ago, so I'm gonna go and check it out. They nest in the hollows of trees. But still a few months to go before they actually start the proper nesting. But yeah, really beautiful bird. Okay. Oh, the kookaburra just caught a rodent. I could hear the mouse or the rat squealing. And I want the camera to focus. He's got a rat. And it's gone. That's how quick they are. That was really awesome. The camera wasn't that fast for the refocus, but I did catch it, so thank you Jesus. That was really cool. Okay, God bless you everyone. I'll catch you later. Bye bye.